Welcome to a recap of the Berkshire Hathaway 2023 annual meeting, an event often dubbed the Woodstock for capitalists. If you're an investor or have an interest in Berkshire Hathaway, this is for you. Let's dive into the key takeaways from this year's meeting. The meeting saw a packed house of approximately 40,000 shareholders. A highlight was a humorous film featuring commercials of businesses owned by Berkshire. Warren Buffett, the CEO and chairman, took center stage, discussing Berkshire's first quarter earnings. He revealed that while most of Berkshire's businesses might see a dip in earnings for 2023, there's optimism for higher investment income. Given recent banking failures, Buffett emphasized the safety of depositors at US banks and criticized some practices of the failed First Republic Bank. On the insurance front, Buffett highlighted the benefits of the insurance business, particularly the concept of float. Berkshire's float has impressively reached approximately $165 billion. Buffett also touched upon Berkshire's significant stake in Occidental Petroleum, praising its position and hinting at the possibility of buying more shares. Addressing concerns about Apple's large share in Berkshire's portfolio, Buffett clarified its position and expressed regret over a previous sale of Apple shares. In the era of disruptive technology, Munger believes that value investors face challenges, but Buffett remains optimistic, stating that investment opportunities will always be present. The Q&A session is always a highlight of the Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting. Let's delve into the most pressing questions posed by shareholders and the insights shared by the Berkshire Hathaway leadership. On the topic of inheritance of family businesses, Buffett emphasized the importance of discussing one's will with their children, preparing the next generation for future responsibilities. When questioned about BNSF's ethical responsibilities, especially concerning tribal lands, Abel acknowledged discussions with the tribe to resolve issues. He mentioned lessons learned and the company's commitment to ethical practices. The development of clean energy was a hot topic. Abel highlighted that it's a state-by-state issue. He shared the company's ambitious goal. By 2030, they aim to reduce their carbon footprint by 50% relative to 2005, aligning with the Paris Accord. On succession planning, Buffett expressed full confidence in Greg Abel's judgment, indicating that Abel would decide on the next leadership steps. Discussing the strength of the US, Buffett praised the nation's resilience and innovation. Munger, however, expressed concerns about the increasing number of young talents moving towards wealth management instead of more productive sectors. Addressing concerns about potential corporate raiders, Buffett emphasized that Berkshire's performance and reputation would determine its future. He believes that if they deserve to be on top, they will be. Lastly, Buffett shared a personal anecdote about Ajit Jain's initial days at Berkshire Hathaway. He recalled Jain's job interview, where despite having a background in management consulting and no knowledge of insurance, Buffett felt he had struck gold. The Q&A session provided a deeper understanding of Berkshire Hathaway's vision, challenges, and future plans. It's always enlightening to get a glimpse into the minds of the leaders steering this iconic institution. Stay tuned for more updates.